So let's unbox Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, and it's a 512 GB. So let's unbox it. It's a red color, and let's see what's inside the box. It comes with plug USB, and here's the phone. So if I and here's the other one. This is the phone, and let's I think phone has not charged. Starting. So both side is screen is turning on. You can see the both side. Welcome. So here is the first setup. Oh, I just like it. And if I talking about the thickness, this is my 16. Then you can see the thickness. And if I open the phone, size